You have to hold this bag in your hand to really know how beautiful it is, guys. Hello guys, in this tutorial we are making this beautiful bag. Without further ado, let's dive to it. Let's go. I can't wait to. These are the things needed for this bag. My bag design, I've already designed it the way I want my bag to be. Then chain, this chain I removed it from another bag. Chain strap. And this one is that thing they used to hang frame. You put this on the wall, then you hang your frame. This one, if you've watched my gele video, my last video that I made, I used this Sego to make gele, and this is the remaining one. It's very important you make your pattern first before you cut it on your fabric. You don't want to cut directly on the fabric because you might mess up your fabric. So I'm going to be using this plate to cut my pattern, and the measurement of this plate is 8 inches, you see. Then I'll put my plate here, then I'll mark it circle like so. I will now fold it like this. I'll take my paper again like this. Then I will mark this. Add ½ inch to it. This is our pattern. So I will now start to measure from this place. – 14 inches. So this is the bag body, this is the cover, this is the side base. Then I did this. Then I did this the same way. Then I did the base. Then I did the base the same way. And the cover. And this is the cover. You don't gum anything on this. Everything is ready. It's now time to assemble the bag together. After pinning it, then I will take it to the machine to sew. Then I will turn it. So I will now pin this front facing front. Instead of me putting it with this rivet tool, I decided to remove this. This is how creativity is. When you're working, you get more ideas how to finish what you're doing. So I will remove it. I'll remove that. Then I will pass this strap that I prepared with fusible interfacing with the same fabric to make it a bit spacey. So to make it a bit thick. I don't know if spacey is the right word I should say. So I'll put it here. You mark the place you want to put it.